Hello, everyone. This is Steve Afasi from Elite Business Insurance. I'm here to talk to you about janitorial bonding insurance and what exactly a janitorial bond is and how Elite Business Insurance can help you out with that and get you a really good price for any sort of bond that you need. So we are an independent agency, so we have access to hundreds of carriers throughout the state of Florida, thousands of carriers throughout the United States, where we shop your information around depending on what sort of business you have and what your needs are, and we find you the best coverage for the best price. Now, bonds, usually surety bonds, is what is needed in any sort of construction field when you're doing a job, any sort of construction license bond, or in the cleaning industry, they have something called a janitorial bond. Now, what a bond is it's basically backing a company. So in the case that they mess up, the bond company would basically pay out the claimant, and then they will go after the insured, whoever's covered on the bond, whoever the bond's written for the money. So basically what a janitorial bond is, it's also known as a dishonesty bond. And what it covers you for is employee theft or owner theft in your business. So when you're performing work for somebody, they're going to want to make sure that you're carrying insurance. We could help you out with that. We could shop you around. We could find you all the best coverages out there regarding your insurance, your general liability, your workers' comp, commercial auto, you name it, we write it, we'll help you out. As far as the bond goes, it's basically going to be a set price depending on what kind of bond you're looking for. So a $10,000 bond, $20,000 bond, $5,000 bond, $100,000 bond, you name it, we write it all. We have access to many different surety companies all over the nation, and we just take your information and we fill out the applications, we send it out, and we get you the best price. We have direct carriers, so we can get you quotes instantly, especially on the janitorial bond. Usually, if you're a new business, you don't have more than 3 employees, if you don't have any claims, a bond of about $10,000 will run you somewhere $100 for the year. A bond for up to about $25,000 will run you somewhere around $170 for the year. So it's relatively cheap. It's a one-time pay. You pay it once, and it covers you for a whole 12 months. So when you do work for somebody, whether it's residential work or commercial work, and you're a cleaning company, if you go and you say you're insured, which we could cover you for all the right limits, and you're bonded, that makes the customer feel much better, saying that, okay, if somebody steals from me, if this company screws up while they're performing work, not only do they have the insurance, but then they have a bond backing them, which is basically like a financial backing from the surety company, the bond company, just saying that if an employee steals, we're going to pay up to a value of $10,000 if that's what the bond is for. And then they go after your company or that employee who steals for the money. So a bond is always a financial backing for the company. It's not insurance. It can't benefit you whatsoever, but it's basically giving you security. It's giving your customers security that if they use you, if they employ you to perform work for them, that they're covered on all the right ways and they don't have to worry about who they're hiring. So give us a call. We can definitely help you out for all of your insurance needs. So if you want the general liability, commercial auto, workers' comp, commercial property, equipment, and the bonds, any sort of bond you need, all we need in order to write the bond is we need to know what kind of bond are you looking for, who is requiring it, and for how much. And we can get you written for any bond that you need. So give us a call, give us a chance. We'll give you as many options as possible, and we'll give you the best price possible. 1-800-850-8819, Elite Business Insurance. We are elite.